how to fix this error on Valorant. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First type here command, click command, click on it and right click on it and run as administrator. And now once you're here, type niche when stock resets and then click enter. After that type ipconfig // DNS and enter. Now once you're here, type here run, click on it, and here type local percent wait type local app data and click OK. Now scroll down until you find Valorant, save it. Here you will find logs, right click on it and click delete and then go to config, crash report, and delete all those files that you will find here. And don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.